Hello friends, it's September 1st, Labor Day. I'm going to give you a September update on my garden. Look at all this lettuce. We have so much lettuce that these are all overgrown. We can finish them all. My shishito peppers or piste peppers, as I call them. They're still getting flowers. That means we'll be getting a lot more. So many peppers here. The tomatoes. A lot of tomatoes. You can see a lot of it. This year we've been having a weird weather. In June we had 2 weeks of straight rain. July we had about 2 weeks of heat wave. And about 2 weeks ago we started to get like a fall weather. It's been in the low 50s now. You can see my neighbor's tree. You see that the trees, the leaves are already changing color. They're turning red now. It's like getting fall early this year. Tomatoes, eggplants, my sesame leaves, or perilla leaves. My cucumbers are done. I'm not getting almost any right now because of the weather. Very little cucumbers. More perilla leaves here. They're all peppers. My squash, getting some squash, not as many as we used to get, but still getting some. More tomatoes here. How many tomatoes we still have? More lettuce, perilla leaves, long squash. A lot of squash, but not as many as we usually get. So, bunch peppers, a lot of them. And they're still flowering, so getting a lot of peppers still. Look how large pepper plants are. I'm gonna show you the roots. Look at the roots. They are all healthy roots. So many of them. I wanted to show you, so I kind of clear the ground. I've been using the yeast fertilizer, and it gives you a very strong roots, very strong plants. Leave you a link to my how to make the yeast fertilizer at the end of the video. My hot peppers, they're already turning red. There's still small peppers coming out. So my eggplants here. Still have a lot of eggplants coming out. And new flowers, that means we'll be getting more eggplants. Right now, peppers and eggplants are doing well, are doing fine. The squash is almost done. My cucumbers are like almost finished now. There are more eggplants here. New one coming right after the flower. Here will be eggplants coming right after the flower. And the eggplants, the leaves of the eggplants are turning yellow because of the weather. Because they think it's fall already. Okay, so it's probably going to be the end of this year because everything is kind of starting to get finished because of the weather. I'll see you next year. Meanwhile, I'll be uploading other things regarding the fruits and veggies. Okay, so I'll see you next year. Thank you for watching.